So guys, today we are making a video on how to change your name within 14 days. If you are thinking of changing your Instagram ID, this is a video for you. You can watch it, and we are reviewing some of the YouTube videos where they have pranked you that you can change your Instagram ID within 14 days. So here we are reviewing some of your videos, and I hope this will be helpful for you. First, you need to search in YouTube that how to change your Instagram ID. So here you'll be getting a lot of options, and you have to choose whichever you want to and select any one of the videos, and they'll be giving you
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपके अपने YouTube चैनल पे। और आज मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि किस प्रकार से आप अपने Instagram का यूजर नेम चेंज कर सकते हैं। कितनी बार 4 बार अपना यूजर नेम चेंज करेंगे तो आप
See guys, here they are telling that you can change your Instagram IDs, but these are all pranks guys. Please don't believe all this nonsense, because it's not true. You can't change your Instagram ID once. You have changed it twice a day, and if you really want to change it, there are some other options which I'll be telling you later part of this video. And here I'm going to another video of YouTube. You can check out here.
Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your Instagram name before the 14th. Do it. I just guessed because of spam and stuff like that. I don't want people changing their names a million times.
So guys, I hope that you have seen a lot of videos in YouTube, and you can even click on other some videos if you want to see that.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपके अपने YouTube चैनल में। दोस्तों मैं
These are some ways that these guys are pranking you just because they want likes or comments for their videos. They are just making fake videos so that people might watch it or they can try it, but that is not possible guys. Once if you change your Instagram ID twice a day, then you will not be able to change it within 14 days. You can change it after 14 days as well, but within that span of time you will not be able to change it. No matter how much you watch the videos, you can't change it guys. These are only prank videos. If you really want, if you are in a urgent to change your Instagram ID, then please go to the Instagram help, and there will be options for you to do some your changings or so. But please don't follow these YouTube videos where there are chances of you getting prank or you getting cheated over there. Please don't follow these guys. So guys, here today was our video about the Instagram ID changing, and I would like to thank all our viewers for viewing our video. Thank you guys.